Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to play Arena of Valor offline. First, understand that while the game is primarily online, there is a special offline mode available. To access it, you will need an initial internet connection to download all necessary game resources. Once prepared, you can enjoy 5 versus 5 matches against computer-controlled opponents without an active internet connection. To begin your offline adventure, first make sure your game has downloaded all its content while connected to the internet. Next, navigate to the main login screen and log out of your current account. You should then see a distinct offline mode button. Simply tap this button to enter the special offline environment and start playing. Within the offline mode, you can participate in exciting 5 versus 5 battles, pitting your skills against intelligent computer opponents. The game offers 3 distinct difficulty levels: medium, normal, and hard, allowing you to tailor the challenge. Please note that while many heroes are available, not every single hero from the full roster will be accessible in this specific mode. For the best offline experience, try to avoid completely closing the Arena of Valor application. If you fully close the app, you will need to briefly reconnect to Wi-Fi to re-access the offline mode. This feature is perfect for long flights, commutes, or any situation where your internet connection is unreliable or unavailable, offering continuous entertainment.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.